Good morning. My name is Sophie Onyango and I work with Safaricom and M-PESA Foundation. My role at the foundation is a program manager and I lead the health pillar. Within the health pillar, we focus on maternal and child health. And the reason why we are focusing on maternal and child health is because we want to reduce the maternal mortalities. Because we have realized that the rate of maternal mortalities in Kenya is higher than the WHO recommendation. And within the health pillar, we also conduct medical camps in the 47 counties of Kenya. And whenever we have a medical camp, we visit the link facility and visit the mothers in the maternities that have delivered and give them mama packs. Why mama packs? As part of our maternal and child health initiatives, we focus on the 3 delays that cause deaths: the delay to seek care, delay to reach care, and the delay to receive care. We have discovered that the reason why mothers do not seek care is because of varied reasons. One, culture makes mothers not seek care. The other one is affordability of reaching hospitals. And the other one is, even if you have the money to go to hospital, maybe there are no hospitals around you. So we actually focus on this area to make sure that mothers get to reach the hospitals to get the services that they require. Some mothers do not go to hospital because they're just not aware. And as part of creating awareness so that mothers can actually have the interest to go to hospital, we have introduced the mama packs. What we have realized is that there are mothers who come to hospital without the necessary equipment or the necessary facilities that they need for their children. So mothers sometimes come to hospital and the children don't have anything to wear. They don't have even a shawl to cover the child. They don't even have the basins that they will use to bathe the baby. And therefore, we are introducing the mama packs to be able to support these mothers so that they can leave the hospital in a dignified manner. That's not the only reason why we do that, because when they go out there and they tell the other mothers that if you deliver in a health facility, you will be able to live not only with your baby, but with a present as well. So today, we are in Port Reitz Level 4 hospital, where we are handing over 100 mama packs to mothers who have delivered in this facility today. How are you? Jina lako ni nani? Ruth. Dorothy. Dorothy, congratulations. Umepata mtoto msichana au kijana? Msichana. Ninaweza mbeba? Mtoto anaitwa nani? Anaitwa? Hujampa jina? Jina lake ni Zubeda, kama mimi. So meet Dorothy, and we are handing over a mama pack to Dorothy and her baby. In the mama pack, we have different things. And Dorothy, you can open your mama pack so that you can see what's inside. So there are diapers for the baby. There is a shawl for the baby. There's even an outfit for the baby. We have a lasso for the mother. We've got pads for the mother. And soap, enough soap to actually take care of the mother and the baby for a couple of months. And the bag for the mother to use even after delivery. So what we realized was that it was not enough to give the mothers all these things, because there are some areas where mothers actually don't even have clean water for them to drink while they're taking care of their baby. So we partnered with Sour Water, who are actually supporting us with this equipment that is purifying water, and it is an addition to the mama packs.
Hello, my name is Gladys Wairimu Njoroge. I work at For Life Solutions. We are the custodians of Sour. Sour is a UV-based water purifier that harnesses the rays of the sun to make water safe for drinking. we have partnered with M-PESA Foundation to strengthen their maternal health program, where they provide mama packs, and we are essentially in the mama packs with our Sawa. So what that means is mothers who deliver get to receive our products and to take charge of their drinking water while at home. This is a 6-liter capacity product with a lifespan of 3 years, and this is how it works. So you take your Sawa, okay? You open through this topmost opening, and then you fill it up with water. And what happens, as I fill it up with water, you notice that the backpack expands, right? So after filling the Sawa with water, you expose it to an area where there's direct UV penetration, because the UV rays are responsible for deactivating the bacteria, basically the DNA of the bacteria and virus and protozoa, making water safe to drink. On the Sawa, we have this UV indicator. This UV indicator serves 2 functions. The first function of this UV indicator is to show you if there is UV presence in the atmosphere, and if there is UV presence, it will start to blink as so. So the blinking is the indication that there are rays of the sun and that water purification can happen that day. So once you get that confirmation, you leave the product with the Sawa out in the sun up until you find a smiling face. And the smiling face is the indication that enough UV rays have penetrated, making water safe to drink, and you will find this face. The constant smiling face is the indication that your water is safe to drink. So depending on the intensity of the sun, the period it takes will vary. So your indication is the smiling face. Once you see the smiling face, you take your product with the water into the household. And then, assuming you have identified the suspending, an area you will suspend the water for drinking, you will hang the product as so, and then suspend through this opening. So this is opening and this is closing. And that is how, ladies and gentlemen, this Sawa product works. Cleaning the Sawa is pretty easy. You clean inside using water only, and outside using soap and water. If you intend to do a thorough cleaning, you can do a salt bath where you put half water and then you put salt inside the water, and then you put the product out for about 30 minutes. And because salt is an antiseptic, the product, if it has any form of germs, will be cleaned. This product, for 3 good years, you and your family get to enjoy the privileges of safe drinking water.
What we do is that we always want to make sure that we innovate and increase the services that we are providing. So we are looking out for other partners who can be able to even complement what we have within the Mama Packs. And this is the Mama Pack.